Hello students, have a good day. Yesterday we did addition and subtraction of fractions. Today we are going to do multiplication and division of fractions. This lecture is recorded by Kamlesh Tiwari sir from Bright Skills Educare. Now multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fractions. Suppose two fractions are there, 7 upon 3 into 12 upon 35. We have to multiply it. See here students, numerator should be multiplied with numerator and denominator should be multiplied with the denominator. It is 7 into 12 upon 3 into 35. Students, here there is a cancellation between numerator and denominator by a certain multiple. So let us check it. 3 and 12. See, 12 is divided by 3, so you can cancel it. 3 1 are 3 and 3 4s are 12. And here 7 and 35, 7 1 are 7 and 7 5s are 35. So what we are getting? We are getting that 1 into 4 upon 1 into 5. So 4 1 are 4 and 5 1 are 5. So result came 4 upon 5. Many students do the mistakes. So this is very important thing to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. After that, if there is a cancellation between numerator and denominator, you can do it with a certain multiple. Second example is 3 upon 17 into 51 upon 21. Let us again do the same thing. 3 into 51 upon 17 into 21. Let us check whether there is some simplified form or not. See, 3 and 21. So both the numbers are divided by 3. 3 is divided by 3. 3 1 are 3 and 3 7 are 21. And 17 1 are 17 and 17 3s are 51. So it comes 1 into 3 upon 1 into 7. It is 3 1 are 3 and 7 1 are 7. It is 3 upon 7. Third one is minus 23 upon 11 into 88 upon 115. See students, minus 23 into 88 upon 11 into 115. Let us again do the same thing. Cancellations. See, there is a 11 and it is 88. So 88 is divisible by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 8 ja 88. And if you know the table of 23, or you can make the table of 23, 23 1 ja 23 and 23 5 are 115. So 23 1 ja 23 and 23 5 are 115. So we got minus 1, minus is already here, into 8 upon 1 into 5. That is 8 1 ja 8, minus into plus, minus 8 upon 5 1 ja 5. Understood that? Now students, let us do the fourth sum. It is 12 upon 15 into minus 22 upon 5 into minus 100 upon 35 or 36. Let us multiply these three. See students, 12 into minus 22 into minus 100 upon 15 into 5 into 36. I hope you can do that. So many things are there. 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3. See carefully. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 5 can divide 100, so 5 1s are 5, minus sign will be already here. 5 2s are 10 and 0. 5 20 is 100 होता है, तो 100 is cancelled by 5. And again students see, 4 can cancel 36. 4 1 are 4, 4 9 are 36. So instead of jumbling here, again you write whatever has come is equal to 4 upon 5 into, or you can write 4 into minus 22 into minus 20 upon 5 into 1 into 36. Again some cancellation. 4 1 are 4, 4 9 are 36. Here it will be 3, 5 3s are 15. So let us see. 4 1 are 4, 4 9 are 36. So what has come? Minus 22 into 20, 3 into 1 into 9. Now 22 cannot be divided by 3, as well as 20 also cannot be divided by 3. So let us multiply that. Minus into minus becomes plus. 22 into 20, 440 upon 3 into 9, 27. So you cannot divide 440 by 27. So this is your final answer. Note down this one. Students, now see here. You must have understood the how to multiply two fractions. Here some examples are given. You have to solve it by yourself and you can send your answer to me. See here, 9 upon 2 into minus 7 upon 4. You have to multiply it. Second sum is 3 upon 10 into minus 9. Minus 9 means minus 9 upon 1. Third one is minus 6 upon 5 into 9 upon 11. Fourth one is 3 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 63. And the last one is minus 21 upon 33 into minus 35 upon 12 into minus 88. So only 5 sums I am giving you. You solve all the 5 sums, and if you want you can find it out from some other references and you can solve more sums of multiplication of fractions. Now students, we are going to solve division of fractions. Here it is multiplication of fractions. Now we are going to do division of fractions. See, first sum I am taking 12 upon 35 divided by 15 upon 105. Very simple question I am taking. Students, always remember, when you are dividing it, this division sign convert into multiplication. And next one, this is the divisor. Divisor should be written in reciprocal form. See here, 12 upon 35, multiplication sign, division is converted into multiplication, and reciprocal of divisor should be written. Reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So it will be 105 upon 15. अभी आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखा, डिवीजन किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. Now easily you can do that. See here, 12 into 105 upon 35 into 15. Now you can do the cancellation. Cancellation here, 12 and 15. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 35 and 105. 35 1 are 35. 35 3s are 105. So it came 4 3s are 12 upon 1 into 5, 5. This is your final answer. So if 12 upon 35 divided by 15 upon 105, so answer will come 12 upon 5. Another sum, students. If 1 upon 4 is divided by 1 upon 4, how much it will come? 1 upon 4 into division becomes multiplication, and write down the reciprocal of 1 upon 4. Even you can say multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1. So multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1. So students, 4 1 are 4 upon 4 becomes 1. So if 1 upon 4 is divided by 1 upon 4, answer comes 1. Similarly, you understood what is the multiplicative inverse? Third sum, 15 is divided by 1 upon 30. What will be the answer? 15 is divided by 1 upon 30. 15 into division sign converts into multiplication sign. 1 upon 30, reciprocal of 1 upon 30 is 30 upon 1. Now it is 15 into 30, 450. This is your final answer. Fourth example, minus 15 upon 21 is divided by 27 upon minus 12. See here students, same thing, minus 15 upon 21 into minus 12 will go up, minus 12 upon 27. Now here students, minus into minus becomes plus. So it is 15 into 12 upon 21 into 27. Do the cancellation work. So here 3 5s are 15 and 3 9s are 27. 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12. So what is your final answer? 5 4s are 20 upon 7 9s are 63. This is your final answer. This is the introduction, or you can say just a revision of division of fractions. This is revision, not a full exercise. Those who are not getting it, those who have some difficulty in this one, they can get it through these 4 examples. Now, let us have some more examples to write. Minus 4 is divided by 2 upon 3. Second question is minus 3 upon 5 is divided by 2. And the third question is minus 4 upon 5 is divided by minus 5 upon 4. And the fourth question is 3 upon 13 is divided by minus 4 upon 65. And the fifth question is minus 7 upon 12 is divided by 2 upon 13. So all these 5 sums you have to solve by yourself and get the answer. And even you can send the answer to me. Now students, we are going to discuss about the decimals. Suppose I write a number 523.786. In earlier standard you have done it how to expand it. It is 523.786. If you want to expand it, you can write like that. 5 means this is unit place, 100 place, and this one is 1000 place. Here 1/10 place, 100 place, and 1 to 1000 place. That means it is 5 into 100, then it is 2 into 10, then this one is 3 into 1, then 7 is 7 into 1 upon 10, then 8 is 8 into 1 upon 100, and finally the 6 is 6 into 1 upon 1000. Plus sign is between them. This is the expansion of the number 523.786. See carefully, 500, this is 20, this is 3, this is 0.7, this is 0.08, and this is 0.006. You understood how to expand a number? You have done it in 5th standard, 6th standard. So this is expansion of a number. On the basis of this one, now we are going to do addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, then multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. I take two numbers in the first example. 23.78 plus 57.389. Students, always remember decimal should be just below to the decimal point. Means unit place should be below the unit place, 10th place should be below the 10th place, 100th place should be below the 100th place. Similarly, 1/10th place should be below the 1/10th place, 100th place should be below the 100th place, and 1000th place should be below 1000th place. See here, do the vertically 23.78. Put the point here, before point 57 is there, 57. Then 389, 389. Nothing is here, so put 0. Okay? Now add them. 9, 8 plus 8, 16, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 3, 11, then carry 1, point is here, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. This is 81.169, so your answer is 81.169. Understood? Let us have another question. $527.635 plus 29.02 plus 5,736.5. You have to all these three numbers. So write them in vertical way. 527.635. Now 29 unit 10. So 29 should be written here. 29.02. 10th place, 110, 100 place. And at 100, 1000 place nothing is there, so put 0. 0 to 0. Then 5736. Point put first. Right from unit place, 6, 3, then 7, then 5. And after decimal, it is 5 only. Nothing is here, so put 0, 0. Now add them. This is the proper way of addition of fractions. एक चीज हमेशा डेसिमल्स, एक चीज हमेशा याद रखना, पॉइंट के नीचे, डेसिमल पॉइंट के नीचे ही डेसिमल पॉइंट रहना चाहिए। यूनिट प्लेस के नीचे यूनिट प्लेस रहना चाहिए। सभी नंबर के 10th प्लेस के नीचे 10th प्लेस रहना चाहिए। 100th प्लेस के नीचे 100 प्लेस का डिजिट रहना चाहिए। 1000 प्लेस के नीचे 1000 प्लेस का डिजिट रहना चाहिए। ये रॉन्ग नहीं होना चाहिए। सेम वे, दिस इज 1/10th पोजीशन, दिस इज 1/10th पोजीशन के नीचे 1/10th प्लेस ही रहना चाहिए। सिमिलरली 100th प्लेस 3 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे nothing is there, so put 0. Like that only. Now you can add it. 5, 3 plus 2, again 5, 6 plus 5, 11. Point, decimal point should be here. Carry 1, 23. 23 है तो 3 will come here. Then carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Then 5 plus 7, 12. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. This is your final answer. 6293.155. 6293.155. You understood this sum? This is the way of addition of a decimal numbers. I think 2 example is sufficient for you. So let us have some examples that you have to solve. First question, solve the following. First sum is 23.73 plus 50.09. Second sum 527.836 plus 5.08. Third sum 57.89 plus 523.695. Fourth sum 127.008 plus 27.08 plus 7.8. And the fifth sum 86.01 plus 86.001 plus 86.0001. Solve all these 5 sums related to addition of decimals. Now we'll do the subtraction of decimal numbers. Note down all these 5 sums. It is same as the addition, only instead of adding you have to subtract them. Let us see that. $876.39 minus 54.26. See, 876.39, then 54.26. Decimal point should be just below the decimal point. Now subtraction is there. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Decimal point will come here. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 5, 2 and 8. Your answer is 822.13. Okay. Let us do the second question. $973.008 minus 86.5. See very carefully. First write 973.008. Decimal should below the decimal point. Before that 86. So 6 is at unit place, 8 is at 10th place. 5 is 1/10th place and no number is here, so put 0, 0. Now you can subtract it. 8 minus 0, 8, then 0, 5 is there, just take 1, borrow here, it becomes 10, 10 minus 5, 5, here it becomes 2, 1 borrow is taken from 7, so it becomes 12 minus 6, 6, now here it is 6, 1 borrow is taken from here, from 9, it becomes 16, 16 minus 8, and here 1 borrow is given, so it becomes 8 only. So it is 886.508. It is 886.508. This is your answer. This is the subtraction of decimal numbers. Understood that? सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है, पॉइंट के नीचे ही पॉइंट होना चाहिए. आगे पीछे हुआ तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। और ये मिस्टेक्स बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं, 9th के स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं, 10th के स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं, पेपर चेक करते समय हमें दिखाई पड़ता है। So many students do this type of mistake. That is why I am taking this addition and subtraction. देखने में तो बहुत सिंपल और बहुत इजी लगता है, लेकिन वो मिस्टेक हो ही जाता है। So always remember these things. Let us do some example of subtraction of decimals. 5 sums I am giving you. First one, 235.5 minus 173.06. Second one is 12.783 minus 0.231. Third sum, 5763.72 minus 29.835. Fourth sum, 1000.001 minus 999.001. And the fifth sum, 9999.999 minus 11.080. So solve all these 5 sums, complete it properly, and in the next lecture we will do the division and multiplication of fractions. Solve this one carefully, and like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video to your other friends. Thank you. Have a good day.